will be the beautiful group from Papua New Guinea. Yep. Talk about culture. You will see that in a few minutes. Yeah, let's give them another big hand. Big hand for Papua New Guinea as they enter. Those of you who came in to that boat today, I told you, ask the captain to delay return until sometime next week, because you'll be missing out on a lot of good stuff starting tonight. Our next performance after the Papua New Guinea people will be the group from Fiji, followed by the group from Australia. So those of you from Australia, don't go yet until you witness your own performance and then take pictures and take it back with you so you can show it to the folks back home. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the performing group from Papua New Guinea.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I love Samoa. Talofa, Talofa. We in Papua New Guinea, you can see us, 7 groups came from Papua New Guinea. And now the 3 provinces going to perform. The first, the Million Bay, we're going to put 2 items. The first one will be a taro dance, a plantain dance, and the second one will be a black bed dance. The second group will be the southern region, central. The third group be sundown. You can see the sun, where the sun goes down. So thank you very much. Sit and hope you enjoy the performance.
Thank you.